Trains are more than a mode of transportation. They're an extension of our office, our library, our community. They carry our most precious cargo. Trains move the world. As maintenance budgets shrink, train components still must stay the distance, enduring harsh elements and traveling further and longer between maintenance and repairs. To weather such conditions, engineers must consider the full assembly's components as early as possible in the design process. By partnering early with the tribological experts at GGB, designers can ensure that their rail system is built to meet extreme operation demands, remain cost-efficient, and give passengers a quiet, comfortable, and safe ride. With global manufacturing capabilities, dedicated railway applications expertise, and a broad range of proprietary, customizable solutions and materials, GGB has all the resources you need to carry your project forward, no matter the destination. Visit us at ggbearings.com to learn more.